Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for coming back straight away to the point. Here I come with my guy again. So this is most requested video ever. So probably you're going to say, what she mean most requested? We can see her every day cutting aloe vera gel, aloe vera leaf. Just wait for it. Can you wait until everybody's have why? Okay, with that being said, let's do this. So this aloe vera has been cut it, take it out the poison as you saw. Keep watching, don't skip. You're gonna miss out, So blend it, make sure there is no bit of water when you blend it. There you go. I almost finished my coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you have more, because I don't have, it's finished, you can put 2 more, 4. So I'm gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because I don't have enough coconut oil. And this is going to take very long than you think. 2 tablespoons. I'm generous. I just took 1 tablespoon. They are very, very good for super fast hair growth. Honestly, it takes very longer than you think. The gel is just loose. Now it become kind of watery. My feet hard to make this oil. It's slightly come up oil, as you can see, very slightly. Now finally close. Voila, it's done. We're gonna take it off. Make sure you find something like this or stockings or cotton to straighten it out. Here you need to be super careful if you don't want to mix your oil with the water because there is still water. Make sure when you separate your aloe vera oil from liquid and from oil, and do not press a lot. That much is more than enough. If you press a lot, then you oil is going to be bad because the liquid is going to come in, and then you have to keep in the fridge I don't know for how long until you finish your oil. So this is where I go, but do not throw away this one. You're gonna be kidding me. You're going to be, oh no, this is not going to be bean. We're going to be save this one somewhere because it's very good and concentrated for hair. So we keep this in the fridge and we're going to make deep conditioner mask with something. Do not throw away this one. You kidding me? So this is my look, how beautiful my oil is look. So if you enjoyed this video, if you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to give the thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you will never going to miss any video coming from me. It's for free though. You didn't know? Alright, so that means that bye, stay safe, and I see you next time.